don't get me wrong ne. Angazi ngithini. Ngoba nyazi soloko masithi umacala umnandi nithi akana assist. Umnandi akana goal. Umnandi asi-key play. Guys, no matter what you guys do ne. Lomjida lo you would love to hate him mara ukhoni. Ungathanda ukungamfuni mara ukhoni. And nalabantu abakamfuni just because of ama assist or ama goal or ama in. Ninamaga. And ijaya mkwamanje ungathi ngamlandela kuvele kithi ayija mbamba wantu uphuzana. Ngisho mara uphuza babstele ne. I want to lie. Whoever still hates on Bully, bra, ngazi ufuna this man. Yo, 2 assists. Ngabale awuthi ukubombeka ama player ayi2 iwabeka la. That's the thing I was telling a lot of people, bra. Umbuli asumjito ama assist. I know assisting namhlanje ne. But umbuli asumuntu ama assist. Umbuli ukwenza lo msebenzi bekawenza namhlanje ku-2. Dominate ama player wakubekela, waqwalisa la ekhoneni bese uphasa abanye abantwana ababe free. That's Mbile's football, bra. And manje lamyeka vela kana assist, vela kana goal imnandi le out legends. Ngifuna ukutshela uma whoever sayini umbuli manje angazi nje you're just better, bra. Umbuli mnandi. Noma nithi assist umnandi. Nalama assist account namhlanje umacala umnandi. Yo, ayela ngiyeka gents. Like homeboy uyazi ukuthatha ibhola. Ungathi ibhola malingene egroundini. Bafake imagnet ebholeni bafake naye la. Ayizokutribula the whole day awuthile ayele. Inamehlo ngapha. Nangapha. Engishombula khona nalasiba. Lasemva ka Cox ne. Ayimnandi ma gents. Yo. Ayimbula ukubona ule. Beka le ma gents angeke. Angisazi ukuthi kuthini kalomjita ngeke ukudlumona akali labo ufe udlalela labo makhe akubafuni bara guys, let's just stop hate, bro. Leave this guy alone, bro. Umnandi noma nifuna ama goal umnandi noma nifuna ama assist ayemyekeni umnandi ambule umnandi bafethu yo.